walk my 10 puppies right now. Yep. They're gonna follow me. They're gonna walk around our yard 3 times. They do follow me. That's my puppies. They come down. Just follow. Just take a walk. Walking with my puppies. Just follow on me, guys. Follow the leader, under, park leader. Oh, I was so tired, very full energy. I could not run, then they knock me down and we go running around. And then we have fun like that. It's my puppies. Follow the leader. Leader. Just follow on me. Walking my 10 puppies. Some of them go first. My stomach is hurt. You know the routine. My puppy know the routine. You keep follow on me. That's what I do. Keep walking side of the fence around so they know their territory. My hip is hurt running. My hip is stomach hurt running. Yeah, just follow me. It's called this walking with a puppy, guys. I was fully loaded on the Dennis, eat breakfast with my brother-in-law. I could not take a video. We stopped by my brother-in-law. They bought some new house on Oakhurst, Kingwood. It's a big house. Nice inside. Got 4 bedrooms on it and nice scenery at the back. Got golf there. The people doing some golf. The wind blowing today. I'm still walking with my dog. Some of the poop. That's the poop. Somebody poop. Still walking down. Puppies here. Follow me. They're one time and we did this every time. Walking. Follow me like a circle. And then I'm gonna feed them after we walk down. This is good for exercise for the puppy, make their energy, make healthy and happy. And walking them and makes you healthy also. No, 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 no. Yeah, they try to play with the chickens. I'm trying to say the word no. Once you let the puppies bite the chicken, they're gonna kill chicken. That's what they do. So before it happens, you have to break it. You don't want puppies' habit to kill chickens. That's not good training for the puppies. Puppies have a lot of things to teach them. That no, no, no. You have to teach them before it happens. Train them. We do another second time around walking with the puppies. They're following me and they calm down. You let them make more excited. They get crazy if you let the puppies scream. Excited. Let their energy be released. So at least they're following me. They're a very healthy puppy. Happy. It's a Ford truck. Our husband